All right, so this is going to be an unbiased review on an entry-level affordable metal detector under $150. It's great for kids, great for people just starting out. Now, this has 4 modes. It has a memory. It has a notch. Now, the notch, you can take things out. Say you don't want to find iron. You could take that out. Now, this also detects silver and gold besides coins and other relics. It has a menu, and the menu, actually, you can have memory. It's also, you can change the sensitivity. So if you're in an area with high tension power lines, you can change the sensitivity. Has a volume adjustment. It has a lighted up LED panel. And let's see what else it comes with. So we're going to unbox it and we're going to set it up. We'll do a little air test and we'll find out the different features on this IKIU metal detector. Okay, right off the bat, the great thing about this is it comes with accessories. Most metal detectors, you have to pay for the accessories separately. It comes with a pair of headphones, so if you don't want the beeps, you don't want to annoy people, you're in a noisy environment, you can put the headphones on and that'll actually solve that issue. It also comes with the shovel, a digging shovel, which is unheard of. A lot of times, most of these metal detectors do not even come with this. And it attaches to your belt with this really nice camo design. And this is a great little portable shovel. It's actually metal, quite robust. And you're just going to screw this in. And then actually when you want to pack it away, you can pack it away. Look at this. So one side it has these serrated edges. It has a nice point at the end. This is a bottle opener as well. So if you're out in the forest somewhere and you want to actually open up a beer bottle, there you go. All right, so you would just basically screw this in here. And then when you want to break it down and put it in the pouch, you can do so. So here we go. So you have one side right here, and you have the other side. Now, if you want to tighten this up, you're just going to turn this little part right here, and it's going to tighten it up and lock it in place. So I'm going to actually lock it in place, and you can actually lock it in place in all different directions. So there we go. Now this isn't going to go anywhere. And then again, you can lock it into place in different directions. So you want to lock it this way, you can lock it this way. And it's great. All right, so let's go ahead and see the rest of the accessories. Now, what's great about the shovel, now I broke it down in under like 30 seconds or less. It has a compass as well, which is really great. All right, so this is unheard of. Generally, they don't even come with the batteries. You get 2 9-volt batteries and the user manual. Here are the headphones. And these are adjustable. They have really nice ear cups, very padded. And so you can adjust them to fit your head. And what I like about them is the fact that you can attach it to any 3.5 millimeter jack. And the cord is nice and long. The top is padded as well. It has a nice foam padding with a faux leather design. And now this leaves us with the metal detector, which is really nice and lightweight. Let's take it out of the packaging. It's packaged really well. Here is your LED panel. You can take this plastic protective off, but I'm going to leave it on for now. And to get access to the batteries, it's right on the back. So just open it up, put the 2 batteries in. If you want to plug in the headphone jack, it's right here, right on the back of the panel. Now for replacement batteries, I would recommend alkaline. Do not get nickel cadmium style because they're not going to last. And so you're going to just plug them in, plug the 2 batteries in, place it inside the metal detector, and then you're going to put the protective case on, and you're ready to go. Now, the beauty of this is that you can actually adjust it to the length that you need. So if you're taller, you can adjust the length of the rod longer. Or if you're a child, if you have a child, you can lengthen it, you can shorten it. So you're going to take these pieces and you're going to attach them into each other. Okay, so this rod is going to go on the coil. So make sure that when you're attaching it from this end. And so you're going to place this in here. And what you're going to do is, see the different lengths you can have it at? And then you can just tighten it. I'm just going to put it long. And here we go. Now you just tighten it. And now that it's tightened, again, you can make it as long or as short as you want it. Now you're going to attach the grip, the top part, and you're going to place it in here. You can see this little spot. And let's go ahead and do that. You're going to push this little button in. It's easy peasy. It's really, really quite simple. And there you go. Now you want to put your LCD or LED panel on here. You're going to want to put the armrest on and the coil. All right, so now we're going to get the armrest and we're going to attach it in. Very, very simple. You can see the little hole here. You unscrew this piece, stick it in, and then screw it in. There's two different heights, as you can see here, to custom fit it for you. So once you slide it in, you find the height you want it at, and then you're gonna just screw it in. And let's go ahead. I'm gonna screw this little piece in, and then you're ready to place the LCD panel on it, and then you can put the coil. Here's the spot for your LCD or LED panel. You're gonna unscrew this piece right here. Now you're gonna slide on the LED panel. So there's your armrest, and I just want to show you what orientation you're going to put it on. And so you can see we're gonna slide it in here, and the first notch will go with this notch right here because you want to line up your pin. You see the pins over there. All right, so once you get that on, you're gonna screw this in with the screw that's right here. Once you screw that in, now you want to attach your coil. So let's go ahead and go in the box and get the coil out. All right, so all you're going to do is unscrew these two bolts and then insert this right in here. And then you're going to wrap this cord going around spiral around the pole and then plug it in to the bottom of here. And you're going to put it right in that hole right there. Now you want to wrap the cord around the pole just enough so that the plug can reach the LED panel. So you're just going to go ahead and just wrap it around. And now you're going to plug it in. And it's in. Make sure it's in there good. Now you're ready to go. So the LED panel is nice and crystal clear, but I'm just going to put the plastic back on it. We just, just for this demonstration purposes. I don't want to get it scratched up. All right, so we're going to turn it on. And it's actually, look at that. You can change the brightness. And that's good. So if you don't want it on, it's during the daytime. You don't have to have it on. All right, so it has pinpointer also built into it, which is a really good feature. You might want to have a little mini handheld pinpointer as well. But all right, so we're going to go into the menu. And let's go ahead. So now we're in notch. Now we're out of it. See, we could take things away. Let's go ahead. All right, so we're going to go into notch, and then you can press the plus or minus buttons down to take things away or to add them. Lock it in. You're just going to leave it for a second, but when you want it back, just let it flash a second, and then it's going to go solid, and then you're going to get it back. And then we want to do that again. So let's go ahead, and we're going to move down to the next one. And you're going to leave that, say you want it back. And it'll come back. There you go. So say you don't want to get beer tabs, you can notch it out. Say you don't want to get screws or iron, you can notch it out. If you only want coins, you can just leave coins, silver, and precious metals on. All right, now we're going to go into the sensitivity. Well, actually memory. All right, so you have memory. And so what you want to do with memory is you're going to sweep it over something you like. Say you only like to find silver and 25-cent coins and dimes. You're going to actually hit the memory. You're going to sweep it over the things you like, and then it'll remember the things you like. So in that case, the detector will only detect the target icons that you want. And it'll have a memorized target, and then it'll only detect what you want it to, which is great. So it'll have no response for other targets then. All right, so we're going to go on to the next, sensitivity. So you can raise or lower the sensitivity. Let's just go ahead. There we go. And sensitivity is up here. And now this is going to pick up everything, all right? So you want to lower your sensitivity. You're by high tension wires, by EMF, things with high EMF readings. It'll be less sensitive. All right, so the next thing is volume. And you can just raise it up or down. Here, we'll go lower. Now what's great about this is it'll tell you how close your target is to you. See, I'm touching metal. It'll show you how deep it is. All right, so I'm going over here. Hold on, I'm going to go back. This is metal legs. And so it's showing us how, see, it's very low. We know that it's on the surface, basically, right in this area. Now it's going to have different tones for different type of targets. So we'll hit the doorknob just to hear the sound. And then we're going to hit the leg on my table. And it's picking it up as iron, so it's an iron sound. Now when you want to shut the unit off, you're going to just long press the power, and it should shut itself off. All right, so we're going to just do a couple of targets outside just to see how it works in the wild. In your house, you have nails, you have doorknobs, you have iron legs, you have the tripod stand right here. There's metal, there's hinges to the door. So, you have microwaves and EMFs and things that are going to interfere with it. So we want to take it outside, even though it's really cold and snowy outside. We'll throw things on the top part of the ground, but this is really a great entry-level metal detector. It's really lightweight. It's great to just toss in the back of your truck or give to a kid, or if you're just starting out, it's perfect for that. All right, so here are some of the indications you'll see. So if it's an iron, the tone's going to sound low, almost growly, and you're going to get a 1 to a 40. If you're picking up a nickel or aluminum or a beer tab, you're going to be in the 41 to 65 range. If you're picking up a penny to a dime, silver coin, or copper, it's going to read 66 to 85. If you're picking up a quarter or a 50-cent piece or silver, you're going to read in the 86 to 99 range. All right, I just wanted to show you the basic pinpoint function. Here's a lousy lighter. And this is growling. This is like iron. So you're going to hold down the pinpoint. Now, it's going to get it right in the center of the coil to show you exactly where the item is. So you're going to hold that button down, let go of it, and then right in the center, it's going to let you know. Right there. So when you hear it and it's not moving, it's not making beep, 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 like right there, you're right on top of your target. All right, I want to do a quick silver test. We got a tiny, tiny, tiny silver ring. So let's go ahead and check it out. It's right as day. Sorry, we can't do, I can't, bury something. This thing isn't going to go very deep, probably about 3 inches, 4 inches tops. All right, I'm going to throw my silver ring on the ground, and let's see what happens. All right, so it's right there. All right, let's go ahead and check out the detector. Actually, okay. All right, so it's picking up silver for sure. All right, we'll do a quick pinpoint. Okay, we'll throw a copper penny on the ground. I don't even know what year this is, 1994. All right, and it's right there. All right, let's go ahead. All right, I'm going to throw a Liberty. I think, what is this, $1? Yeah, $1 coin. All right. Oh my God, I don't even know where I threw it. Oh, there it is. All right, hold on. Very good. All right, very, very good. Now we're going to throw a nickel on the ground. All right, let's go ahead and toss it. All right. It's picking up 5 cents. It's doing a good job. All right, so now we got a quarter. All right, and we'll drop it in the hole. All right, let's go ahead. And it's picking it right up. Look at that. It actually froze to the ground. I can't even get it up. Last but not least, we have a dime. It's not a silver. All right, let's drop it in. And let's go ahead. Yep, it's picking it right up. Okay, so what is my verdict? It does what it's advertised as. It's nice looking. It's lightweight. It's great for starters, for people that are just starting out. If you're just starting out metal detecting, you don't want to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars. This is perfect for you. You want to get the kids started, perfect for you. Great holiday present, great birthday present, great Christmas present. It works. and it's lightweight. It's nicely constructed. It's durable. And yeah, it is also waterproof up into the bottom part of the coil, but just don't get the rest of the wires wet. You can actually probably go in a shallow creek with this. It does detect gold, it detects silver, it detects coins and iron and other cool things. Maybe you can find Civil War artifacts with this. Yeah, I'd definitely give this a 5-star for the price, for the value. You're getting the shovel, the headphones, you're getting the compass, you're getting all these freebies. Yeah, I'm going to say that this is a definite yes.